How to download DHgate application. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download DHgate application. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And now, go ahead and open App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for DHgate and tap on the DHgate option that appears. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see the Get button. So, go ahead and tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, launch the application by simply tapping on the Open option you see there, and with this, DHgate application will be downloaded. So, this is how you can download DHgate application on your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.